Have you ever questioned who you are, or who you could become if you dared to redefine yourself? Identity is more than a simple label. It's the sum of your beliefs, values, and experiences. It's the core of your being. But what if I told you that this core can shift? That you can consciously redefine and recreate yourself? This is the power of personal reinvention, the concept known as identity shifting. It's a transformative process that allows you to transcend the limitations of past experiences and step into a new version of self. Think of it like a chameleon changing colors, adapting to its environment. That's you, adapting to life, changing and evolving. You're not stuck in your current identity. You have the power to shift, to change, to reinvent. The power of identity is profound, and the ability to shift it can revolutionize your life. So, what is identity shifting, and how can it alter our lives? Well, identity shifting is a process of conscious transformation, a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. It's about exploring our beliefs, behaviors, and self-perception to identify areas that need change. Imagine a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly. That's the essence of identity shifting. It's about shedding old layers of self, the ones that hold us back, and embracing a new identity that propels us forward. You see, our identity influences our behavior. A person who identifies as a runner will naturally prioritize exercise and healthy eating. Similarly, if we shift our identity to align with our aspirations, our actions will follow suit. It's a powerful tool for personal growth, allowing us to break free from limiting beliefs and live a life that truly reflects our potential. Identity shifting is not about becoming someone else, it's about becoming the best version of ourselves. Now that we understand what identity shifting is, how can we make it happen in our lives? Imagine identity shifting as a journey, a metamorphosis of sorts, a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly. It's a profound process that can be broken down into 4 manageable steps. The first step is self-awareness. This is the foundation of our journey. We need to understand who we are right now. It's about looking in the mirror, metaphorically, and taking a hard, honest look at ourselves. We examine our current identity, our behaviors, our thought patterns, and our beliefs. It's about acknowledging our strengths and recognizing our weaknesses. It's about understanding where we are, so we know where we want to go. Next, we move on to the vision. This is where we define who we want to become. It's about painting a vivid picture of our future selves. What does our ideal self look like? What are they doing? How are they thinking and behaving? This vision becomes our compass, guiding us towards our new identity. Then comes belief restructuring. Our beliefs form the bedrock of our identity. They shape our thoughts, our actions, and ultimately, our reality. To shift our identity, we need to align our beliefs with our new identity. This might mean letting go of limiting beliefs that hold us back and adopting empowering beliefs that propel us forward. The final step is habit change. Our habits are the daily actions that reinforce our identity. To create a new identity, we need to adopt new habits that align with our vision. This might mean waking up early, reading more, or simply practicing mindfulness. These new habits, practiced consistently, solidify our new identity. Remember, the process of identity shifting is a journey, not an overnight transformation. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards our new identity, one day at a time. Like the caterpillar, we too can transform and emerge as the best version of ourselves. Remember, the process of identity shifting is a journey, not an overnight transformation. Scene script. Are you ready to embark on your journey of identity shifting? The path to reinvention, though rewarding, is not a walk in the park. It's a journey that demands your patience, consistency, and courage. It's a quest that calls you to overcome your fears, break your habits, and confront the person you've been to become the person you aspire to be. And yet, the rewards are profound. Imagine waking up each day with a sense of purpose, of knowing who you truly are and living in alignment with that truth. Imagine the joy of becoming the author of your life, not a mere spectator. Remember, the first step is often the hardest. But let this not deter you. Embrace the challenge. Embrace the discomfort of stepping into the unknown, for it's in the unknown that we grow. Take the challenge to change. Start your journey of identity shifting today and witness the profound transformation in your life.